There it is, the Huawei Watch 3. And if you're looking for a smartwatch that is compatible with all devices, get all kinds of notifications, music without your phone, and so much more, then get ready for some tips, tricks, and hidden features on that bad boy. Hey, my name is Leonard, you're watching the product reviewer, and that's me. So a pretty cool feature that you get with the Huawei Watch 3 is that you can answer and mute incoming calls just by moving your arm. So first you have to open up your settings, scroll all the way down until you find the accessibility features right here and go to gestures. And now over here, just toggle on answer calls, gestures, and mute incoming calls. Now you have to go through some kind of tutorial and try it for 3 times until you can enable it. But after that, you can answer calls just by quickly clenching and releasing your fist. Just like that. The next feature is to mute incoming calls. So you have to give it a try 3 times again until you can enable it, and after that, just by flicking your wrist once, you can mute the call. Something a lot of people might not know is that you can change the layout of your apps on the watch. So right now you have this Apple kind of style where you can zoom in and out either with your 2 fingers or use a rotatable button on the side. But you can change it up to a kind of list style. So now we just have to open up the settings. Now we have to find watch face and launcher. Over there, scroll all the way down till you find launcher. And now over here, we can choose between a grid and a list look. So let's take a look at the list one, go back to the apps, and that's the way it looks like. Pretty cool, right? Fall detection and SOS emergency are also built into this watch. Now for that, we have to go to the settings once again. Now we have to find security and privacy settings, go a little bit down until we go to emergency SOS, and then we have to toggle on the fall detection. Now, of course, we also need to put in some emergency infos. We can do that on the Huawei Health app. And now all we have to do is tap the home button 5 times in a row, and it will call the emergency contact just after 3 seconds. And that's pretty handy if you need help in a bad situation. To have offline music is one of the best smartwatch experiences there is. Now you do not get Spotify or Deezer, but you get Huawei Music. It's basically the same as Spotify, just from Huawei. Now the way it works is that you have to download the Huawei Music app from the Huawei app gallery. After you've done that and started the membership, you can start creating a playlist. Now this playlist will pop up on your watch, and all that's left to do is to download the tracks and you're good to go. Just connect your earbuds to your watch and start your workout with your smartphone. And that's pretty damn cool. By the way, you get 1 month of free membership if you do it via the Huawei Music app, but if you do it via the Huawei Health app in the section Discover, you can get up to 6 months of free membership, just as a quick tip. Now, if you're still watching, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell to never miss out on any new content. Of course, I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And now let's get to some quick tips. Super easy to do and perfect for anyone who likes losing stuff is a pin code. Now we just have to go back to the settings, find pin, go set a pin, and now we can choose a 6-figure pin. Just don't forget the pin afterwards. So now if you lose stuff, people won't have access to your smartwatch. You also have NFC payment and eSIM function, and you have customizable watch faces. So you can change all of the metrics that are displayed on your screen. Now we just have to push the little button below the watch face, and we can already choose some new metrics to be displayed on our screen. Now another thing we can do, we can also go to our Huawei Health app, and over here we go to the watch face section, mine the app gallery watch face, that's how it's called, and we can click the plus symbol and we can either take a picture or take a picture from our gallery. What we can also do is to change the style of the font, so that looks a little bit different. We can change the style of the layout, and we can add some new metrics. It's all up to you. And let's get to my last point, which are the sport modes. Well, to be more specific, the running courses that you get on this watch. So we have stuff like one walk advanced for 25 minutes, we have easy run, fat burning, and we have a whole bunch of advanced stuff over here as well. These courses are perfect from a beginner standpoint and even up to some advanced runners. And folks, that's already it for the video. Now, if you want to see more useful features from the Galaxy Watch 4, just click that video. And if you want to see a full review of the Huawei Watch 3, just click that video. And with that being said, see you next time. Peace.